Hi guys, I just got back from Walmart and today I bought the Nerf Vortex Proton. Well, I've already opened it and I took out the basic brown box thingy and took out all the box springs. So all that's in here is the instruction manual, the gun, and the disc. So okay, I'll get started. Thanks. Thank you. Here's the front of the bag. The other Vortex guns and one, two, three, this, and pull that back to insert this, and I'll move on to a test fire. Okay, I'll do a test fire. Hang on a minute. Try to hit it. That one hit the camera. He's gonna do another test fire. Here it is. Oh. That one hit me. His last one. And he missed me on that one, but he shot all three, and and here's my deal. It's done. Sorry about all that, but yeah. Anyway, that's it today. Sometime I'm getting another Nerf gun. We will make more videos, like unboxing videos, Nerf videos, and all that. Have a good weekend. Adios. Konnichiwa.